Hi guys, it's me Abdullah. Welcome to our Toby's channel. If you people wanna buy car refrigerator, so please visit us. Let me introduce the new products. So guys, here is our new car refrigerator. So guys, this is our new model TR21 travel refrigerator 21 liter. This basically 60 watt power and people can be used by 220. A very good compactable adapter, strong one, and can be used by 12 and 24. Means three options are very usable for it. Over this car refrigerator is very lightweight, 11 kg, very easy to open, and more important thing, the compressor. A very big compressor is inside the prominent, and this other side there is a fan. So guys, let's open this our car refrigerator 21. And one more important thing, there is a fuse to protect the damage, to protect the overweight. Just easily plug it here, just one touch, and power showing -20 degree. So guys, all details are mentioned here. If you read easily, manual user is together with it. Car refrigerator 21. This is our very best product. So guys, let me open this from inside. There is a protection cable. Okay, there is a light, as you see, very good body, and ice cube plate in shape of emergency. You people can be make the ice for your refreshment. So this is very compact refrigerator, 11 kg weight, can be used in any vehicle. No need to worry about the weight. So guys, by any chance if you lost this book, so no need to worry, all details are here to be mentioned already. This is our all details TR21 60 watt 21 liter 11 kg weight compactable for your usage. If you're gonna buy through online, please visit Tobysouq.com, Amazon, known and Alibaba, and we have over 2 branches in Dera and 1 branch in Dagabad. So visit us, stay tuned with us. Thank you.